Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Detrended Synthetic Price Indicator, also known as DSB, on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us identify the market trend. When the histograms of this indicator are green, we have an uptrend. When they are orange, we have a downtrend, and when there are no histograms, it indicates ranging areas in the market. Let's go over the settings of.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
This indicator together. The first option in the settings is the calculation period of this indicator. The longer we set this period, the longer the trends it identifies will be. The next option is the price on which the calculations are performed, which we can choose from among these options. The next option is the signal line period, which we can specify here. This version of the DSB indicator is currently the histogram version, but the main version of this indicator actually has a line and a signal line, both of which we can essentially specify here, the signal line period. And the last option lets us specify the color change, based on which parameter it should occur. If we select the first option, the color change will happen based on the change of the DSB line and its crossing relative to the zero line. That means when the DSP value is positive, it will be shown in green, and when the DSP value becomes negative, it will be shown in orange. If we select the second option, which is the current setting you see now, it applies to the levels that exist in the DSP indicator. If it goes above those levels, it is displayed in green, and if it drops below the negative of those levels, it is shown in orange. The next option is for the opposite scenario. That is, if it falls below the upper levels, it will be displayed in orange. And if it rises above the lower levels, it will be shown in green. And the last option is for changing the slope. When the slope changes from negative to positive, it is displayed in green. And when it changes from positive to negative, the slope of the DSP line is then displayed in orange. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us in the comment section to help improve the indicators.